walking behind me, huh? All right. Huh?
You're walking so fast.
I'm walking fast. All right, guys. We're just going to stroll around. We're strolling around a little bit. I just went to Marquee Mall and picked up my passport. And I told Janice I want a cup of coffee. And I think we're going to go in here. This is right there in the Diamond Subdivision.
Are we going in?
Yeah, and we're going to go at the Coffee Academy. Coffee Academy. So let's go in here and have a cup of coffee. Have a cup of coffee, and then we continue from there. You can actually sit outside here.
Outside?
Yeah. You can sit right here on the corner. All right, so we are sitting here at the Coffee Academy waiting for a coffee. We're going to take a little stroll today. We had some subscribers that asked us to walk a little bit inside Diamond. We have done a couple of videos there before, but we're going to take another stroll today and check it out.
Oh. What are you yawning?
Why are you yawning?
Sleepy.
Why are you sleeping?
Because I'm sleepy.
Right. I
Like,
guess it's the weather makes you sleepy.
yeah. It's not hot.
It's
not
hot,
cold. It's
but it's muggy and overcast. It rained early this morning. Oh, you're right. Here,
Dito.
the mocha goes there.
Yes.
and that
Okay,
goes
thank you
there.
very much, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
This is my mocha. We're having coffee. Time check. It's 4:05 p.m.
4 or 5?
Yeah, 4:05.
Yeah.
And later on, we'll have something.
Anyway, this cafe is located right in the main entrance into the Diamond Subdivision. So up this way. See if I can get the camera to go the right way. Up that way you have MacArthur. And I think up there it's called the Savers Mall, right?
Yeah.
So,
Outside, I don't know, across this area is Savers Mall.
yeah,
Mall.
Savers Mall is across here.
And then inside this area is Diamond Subdivision.
Yeah, down this way. Yeah.
And on the other side is going to Barangay, shortcut to Barangay.
Barangay
Balibago.
Balibago. Yeah, we never blogged inside Barangay Balibago. We might do that one of these days.
Oh,
Um,
you wanna do vlog with it?
and going down this way, here, you have a
Let's go into
street of entertainment.
yeah,
And
Blues Bar.
the Blues Bar is down there. We're going to take a walk by there too and see if we can't get you some music from there. Ooh. All right. All right, so that was the little coffee at the Coffee Academy Annex. Now we're gonna head back up here and see. Park the motorcycle up here, and we gotta go and make sure that the parking officials don't haul it away because they were not there. It's a little funny how they do parking here. They do parking here. You have to find a guy that accepts the payment, puts it in a little handheld PC or whatever they have, and once they have it in there, it's in there. But half the time they're not around, nowhere to be found. and I just don't want to have a risk of my motorcycle being towed away. All right, so here we're right down at MacArthur. Casino's over there. Here we have the Savers Mall, and we're gonna head down this way and see if we can find a parking agent. Well, they have parking personnel that collects the money, but there is nobody here that I can see. So maybe they have maybe they have a day off. I don't know. Well, I don't know what he was doing. He stepped on the brake too hard, I think. So that's the Savers Mall, right? Best Western? Oh, that's a hotel. Best Western up top there, I guess. I never saw that. Red Doors, is that a hotel also? Over there? That building, is that a hotel? Red Doors? Behind the trees there. I think it is. All right, so we walked all the way down here, and I still don't see any parking. Still don't see any parking guys here. I don't know where they went. So let's just walk around. Anyway, like as I mentioned earlier, I had to go and pick up my passport. I renewed my visa, and I had to go and pick it up. And I've never seen so much traffic. It was like a jam up in the hill. The traffic was absolutely stopped. It didn't move. Just to move from my house and up to it was like 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And the stuff didn't even move. Do you want a Coke or something? Water bottle? Huh? Yeah, maybe. We can stop here and get one. Right here. It's quiet here right now. It hasn't started yet. Up here on the second floor we have the famous Street Corner Blues Bar. We went up there the other day and down this way we have some restaurants and some other things. I think there's a steakhouse. But now we're gonna walk up towards the main entrance.
Oh shit.
I like grapes, yes. Are they good grapes? How much are they?
Only 200, 1 kilo, sir.
Do you want some? Just a half kilo. Half kilo.
Sir, report only 150 only, sir.
How much?
150, sir. 150.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
The grapes looks good. Diamondwood Hotel. New ownership. Some of these places I have never visited. Have you? Huh?
Yeah, we've been past here, but we didn't.
Yeah, we just gone by. The Barrel House, I think that's a beer place. And up here we have some KTV bars and a few other things. Huh?
Rock Garden.
Rock Garden, yeah. At night time, it's pretty busy here. What is it called? The Suiciders. The Suiciders Barracks. Suicide Squad Barracks. Okay. I don't know what that is, but Mallorca, the food hub and grill. And in here they have some other, the Hub Bistro. I don't know anything about these places. I haven't been here. There's a little hotel called Ritz Hotel. And now we've gone around the Hydro Pool Club. I don't even know what that is. A lot of places. They have a lot of entertainment here. Nightlife. We don't go out very much, do we?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah,
Sometimes.
but not very much.
If we're in a good mood, we go out.
If you were in a good mood, we go out? Yeah, maybe.
And it depends also the budget.
Huh?
It depends.
Yeah, budget. Yeah. I wonder if they have some kind of fiesta here, do you think?
What?
Fiesta here with all the flags and stuff? They just do it?
No,
Alright.
that's the fiesta.
Alright, so that's a little walk around here. Not much, but
Just a quick vlog.
quick vlog. Yeah, we have, I have been having a flu for a long time, and it's been rough to get up and go out. All right, guys, we have done a full circle here in the entertainment area in Balibago. So we are gonna sign off and say thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, and please comment in the comment box. And if you have any wishes, what do you want to see, what you would like to do us for you, please don't hesitate to contact us or comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.